Welcome to the channel, Cooking with Chef Bouka. Please don't forget, subscribe, share, like, tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get into it. Hi, we're at it again, doing what we do best. Chop King, making it happen. Chop all day. So today we decided to say we're going to do a quick, easy, you know what I'm saying, style, baking style, you know what I'm saying, VIP style. Quick, simple and easy. Supposed to make this like within 20 minutes put together. Maybe 40 minutes bake in the oven, real quick. Chocolate cake. Check out my ingredients. So in here I have 1 cup whole milk, 2 whole eggs, half a cup oil, but please make sure it's just canola oil, vegetable oil. You know what I'm saying? No blend oil, no, nothing like that. Okay, and I got a teaspoon of vanilla, but it's the vanilla paste, not like the vanilla liquid. Okay, and over here we got 2 cups sugar, 1 3/4 cups of AP flour. We have 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. Make sure you get the good cocoa powder. We got 1.5 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. And all that mixed together come together nicely right here with the sugar and all of that. Dry one side, wet one side. So when we come out, we're gonna get into mixing everything together. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just try to mix this together, make it come together nicely. Want to mix it so it come like a custard, you know? Everything bind together. More bind together, the more fluffy the cake is. And this recipe asks for 1 cup hot water as well, okay? So that's good right there. So I'm gonna start mix this right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add this to it, and then after we add this, then we're gonna have the 1 cup hot water, okay? So let's do half. Normally I do half, and then do another half. See that everything is coming together well nicely. If you guys notice, it's too thick, so we need to add that 1 cup of hot water. So when we come back, we're going to get into showing you guys how we're going to add the 1 cup of hot water, and then take it from there. So as I say, hot water, I mean hot water. You see the steam coming out of it? Boiling water. 1 cup, yeah? I want to make sure you see this part, because this part is very important. Alright? So then we're just going to pour it in here. what you're looking for right there. It look a little bit wet, but trust me, this is what you want it to be like. Perfect. Alright, if it's not that smooth, you got trouble. So what we're gonna do when we come back now, we're gonna set up the pan. We're gonna try to get it in the oven, bake for 40 minutes, and then we check it with a toothpick to see if it's dry enough. Alright? So this is what's happening now. Pan spray. Make sure it's coated nice. You can put a little bit of flour in there to make it come out easy, but this pan is brand new. So I'm not worried about it's supposed to come out easy. It will come out easy. And again, this pan open, you know, that way, so it's easy for it to come out. I don't think it's gonna leak. Some of these pans leak, but this pan seems to be like a nice pan. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'll make it sit right here for a minute. If it leaks, then we'll pull it out. Yeah, just like that. So here we did a pineapple upside down. People request that we do another one, smaller recipe. So we're gonna see if we can, you know, consolidate it, make it much smaller, so people at home can bake it the way they want to. So look like this pan is leaking, so we got a problem right here. So I'm gonna switch the pan and come back. So as you mentioned, the leaking part is leaking a bit, so just want to flip it out real quick before we lose our mixture. And it's just leaking right here from where it connects. Some of them do, some of them don't, but you don't want to put it in the oven in a leaking container, okay? Yeah, so we're gonna switch it out real quick. Grab everything out. Alright, so we're going in the oven now. The oven is at 350 for 40 minutes, so let's do it. Do it right here. 40 minutes and see what happens. Start. So wait 40 minutes to see what's going on with it. I'm gonna check it within 25 minutes just to make sure everything's on point. Alright? Alright, so after 40 minutes now we're checking it. Still shaky, you see that? So no, it's not ready yet. I don't even have to even check it because it's shaky. You can see that shaky movements. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it down one lower so we can get a better view of it, you know. Still shaky, so it's not ready yet. I'm gonna put it for 10 more minutes. See what, you know, what it look like after 10 more minutes, okay? Alright, so after 50 minutes, I'm gonna check together. It's hot, don't do that, okay? Clean game right there. That's what you're looking for. Let me try from the top right here. Clean game. That's what you're looking for. Poke one more time just to make sure. Yeah, so clean, nothing come off on that. That's what you wanted. I'll take him out. So we're gonna put him over here. Gonna let it rest for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out the container, sit in wire rack until it cools down. Okay? So yeah, finishing touch now. You guys already know, so we let it wait for maybe 45 minutes just to cool down completely. If you want to eat it warm, you can eat it warm, but you know, normally what we normally do, we probably do like a chocolate ganache for it. We're gonna show you a recipe for a chocolate ganache on the channel, but right now we're just gonna garnish it with a little powdered sugar. That's it. You know, just for now. Later on, we just sit right there. Alright, so we're gonna cut into it now and see a piece. See how it looks. It's not 100% cold the way we want it to be cold, but we don't want to wait all day. I want to eat a piece warm too as well, so make sure it's juicy. You don't want it too crispy as well, you know? Yeah, definitely. The way you see it cut into, you know it's well juicy. See that? Still warm, but definitely juicy inside. Yeah. Right here, you know? You can check out that. We're gonna make that be the presentation instead of the plate, right on the cutting board right here, VIP style. Don't forget, tell a friend to tell a friend. Check the channel out, leave a comment. You know what I'm saying? I want you guys to comment about, yo, we need that, you know, chocolate ganache so we can see the recipe, or we can, you know, and if you want, you can cut the cakes and be layers of cake. You know what I'm saying? Maybe we're gonna do a chocolate cake like that when we build layers like ganache, layers ganache. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, share, like, leave a comment. You know we do all day, you know? Blessed love, everybody. Guidance and protection. That's the end of the video. Don't forget, like, share, hit the notification bell. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Peace.